Hey guys, welcome to Tech. So in this video, I will be solving a question based on random function from last year. The question will be based on finding the output, and the question will contain a random function. So we have to use the random function and find the output. Okay, so we have the question here. The question is for 2 marks, and the question says us that to find the output, and the hint is given here that the function random L will generate integer between 0 to n minus 1. So this you should be knowing this thing. Okay, now while finding output, basically just make a rough column in your answer sheet in the right side. Just make this rough column and then solve the things here. Okay, so I have made 4 columns. The first thing is for random, so I have taken random 3. So yeah, this is in the first column. Then the next column I have for picker. This is a variable here, picker. So I have made a column for that also. And then I have 2 columns, for one for I, that is for the for loop I, and then I for j I have made the column. Okay, so it will be helpful while solving the problem. Okay, now we'll go line by line. The first thing is main. Okay, then we have the starting function, then we have randomize. Okay, so I've told you in my previous video also that don't get confused by seeing this. Just understand that this randomize will not harm your program. This will just help the compiler to generate a random number each time. Okay, so don't get confused. So don't just skip this part. Okay, now next we have is integer and is picker. Then we have picker. Picker is assigned a value that is 1 plus random 3. Now this random 3 will generate a random number between 0 to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, so we can get random number any, that is we can get 0 or we can get 1 or we can get 2 also. Okay, so we can get any 3 random numbers, any of them. Okay, now so picker can get value as if we get random as 0, then we will get picker as 1, because this is 1 here. If we get random as 1, then we'll get picker as 2. If we get random as 2, then we'll get picker as 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, so maximum possible value for picker is 3. The minimum possible value for picker is 1. Okay, I think is it given in the question? Also that the maximum and minimum value for the assigned to the value of picker. Okay, so yeah, we have the answer here that the maximum value assigned can to the picker will be maximum will be 1 plus 2, that is 3, and the minimum value will be 1, because the maximum value for random we can get is 2. Therefore 2 plus 1, because here is 1, so 2 plus 1 3, so we will get maximum value for picker as 3, and the minimum value of random is 0, so we can get 1 plus 0, that is 1 for picker. So the minimum value is 1, maximum value is 3. So this is your answer for that small part. Okay, now moving for the next line, we have a character array. It is named as color, and then we have these two things. Okay, so if you don't know how this works, so let me tell you that this first thing tells us that how many number of words this array can have. Okay, this second thing tells that how many number of characters each word can have. Okay, so this tells us number of words, this tells number of characters each word can have. Okay, so see here we have not given any size, so we can have unlimited number of words. Here we are given size as 5, so we can have maximum 5 characters in a word. Okay, so it has 4 characters, it has 4 characters. Okay, it has 5, it has 3, so we can have maximum 5 characters, minimum uh, 0 character. Okay, now whenever we say color, whenever we say color 0, okay, color in the bracket 0, it means this whole word. Whenever we mean color in bracket 1, this means this whole word. Whenever we mean color in the bracket 2, we mean 0, 1 and 2, this word. Whenever we mean color in the bracket 3, okay, not this part, just this part. Okay, whenever we mean color 3, we mean this word. Okay, yeah, that's it. So we'll be using that here after while executing, so it will be clear in that part. Okay, now we have a for loop here. Okay, and the statements inside the for loop are this, and we have another for loop here, and the statement for this for loop is this. So this for loop is this part, and this for loop is this part. Okay, now so now we'll just write the values here. Now suppose after executing this part, okay, we have started the program, we compiled the program, we've run the program, and then we have executed this, and then we have this part. Okay, now suppose we get random value as 0. Okay, let us start from 0. So we get random as 0 here. Then what will happen? What will we get value of picker as? Picker will be 1 plus, we have 0 here, so 0 plus 1, that will be 1. So we'll get picker as 1. Okay, okay. Now this will be executed. Okay, now we'll go here. After that we'll get into for loop. We'll get int I will be 0. So we'll be get I as 0. Then I will be less than, so now I will be 0, and the statement here is condition statement, and it says that I will be less than or equal to picker. Okay, so you have I is 0 and picker is 1. So I less than equal to picker. Therefore we have I as 0, picker is 1. So 0 is 0 less than or equal to picker. Yes, 0 is less than 1 because picker is 1, this is 0. So we will enter inside the loop because this is satisfied. Okay, now uh, I is 0, picker is 1, and we have entered this loop. Now we have another loop here. One more thing, we have I as 0 and picker as 1. Therefore this loop will run two times because this is less than or equal to sign. So when in the next loop when I will be 1, this will also execute because 1 is less than or equal to picker, that is 1, that therefore it will be equal to 1. Therefore this will be executed for the next loop also. So for now just concentrate here. Now we'll enter this loop, and here we have this loop another. Okay, now this says that initialize j as 0. So we initialize j as 0. Here we have j is less than or equal to I. We have I as 0. Okay, so j as 0, I as 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 0? Yes, 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so this will execute. Now we'll go here and we'll get cout as color j. Now j is 0. Okay, j is 0. So we'll get color of 0. What is color of 0? Color of 0 is blue. Okay, I've told you color of 0 is blue. So we'll write output as, we'll get output as blue. Okay, I know it is a bit confusing, and I'm sure in the next loop it will be not so confusing. Okay, now this is over. This will not execute because we'll just focus on loop here only. This does not come in the for this for loop. Okay, this comes in this for loop but not in this for loop. Okay, now we have executed this. Again this loop will work. Okay, now we'll go here. Now j will become plus plus, j will become, it was 0, it will become 1. Okay, now j is 1 and we have I as 0. Now is 1 less than or equal to 0? No, 1 is greater than 0. So therefore this will not execute. Okay, this is over. Now we'll go here. After this gives cout as endl, therefore we'll get new line here. Okay, so after this we'll go to new line here. So whatever next output will come, it will come in this new line. Okay, now this loop is over. We'll go for another round of this for loop. Okay, first we had I is equal to 0. Now what will happen? I will become 1. Okay, so we'll get I as 1. Now is 1 less than or equal to 1? Because picker is 1. So is 1 less than or equal to 1? Yes, 1 is equal to 1. Therefore we'll enter this loop. Now after entering this loop, we have for int j is equal to 0. Now again j will become 0 because this is a initialization statement. Okay, therefore j will become 0 here because we have initialized j as 0 here. Now is 0 less than or equal to 1? Yes, 0 is less than or equal to 1. Yes, yes. Therefore we get cout as j is 0, so we'll get cout as blue, and that will be in the new line because previously we have used endl, so it will become, so we'll get blue here. Now after this it will go here again. Now j will become 1 because plus plus, j will become 1. Okay, now is 1 less than or equal to I is 1? Is 1 less than or equal to 1? Yes, 1 is equal to 1. Therefore we'll go here, cout color of 1. Okay, now what is color of 1? Color of 0 is this, color of 1 is pink. So let pink here, there is no space, so let pink here. Okay, now again we'll go here, j is 0. Sorry, now j will become 2. because plus plus. Now 2, is 2 less than or equal to 1? No, 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, this will not execute. This will stop executing. We'll go here. This is ENDL. We'll get new line here. So we go to new line. Okay, now we'll go here again. Now is int, now I is equal to 1. But after this will happen and I'll become 2. Okay, now this is 2. Picker is 1. Is 2 less than equal to 1? No, this is wrong. Therefore, this will terminate. We'll go here, and this is end of this uh, function. So we get output as blue and blue pink. Okay, now see, this output is not present here. That means that we did not get 0 as output for random. No worry. Now suppose we get output of random as 1 here, because we cannot say what the output will be. Okay, it will generate any random number. So it was not 0. Let us see that was it 1. Okay, so now we'll get random as 1. So we'll get picker as 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, again we'll go here, then we'll go here. Now here I will become 0. Then I is 0 less than equal to picker, that is 2. Is 0 less than equal to picker 2? Yes, it is 0. It is equal to 2. Is it less than or equal to 2? Less than or equal to 2? Yes. So we'll enter here. Now for here we have int j is equal to 0. J will become 0 here. J less than less than or equal to I? We have I as 0 here. Yes, 0 is equal to 0. Therefore we'll enter here. Cout color of j. So we have same output here. Now this I'll remove this because this is not the output we want. Now we'll get output as color of 0, that is blue. Now again this will go here. Now j will become 1. Okay. Now is 1 less than or equal to 0? No. Okay, 1 is greater than 0. Okay, so this will um, not be executed. Therefore we'll go here and we'll get new line here. Okay, now this is not going to happen, so we'll go here again. Now here I will be incremented, so I'll become 1. Now I will be 1. Okay, now is 1 less than or equal to 2? Yes, 1 is less than equal to 2. Therefore we'll go inside this. Now here again what will happen? J will become 0. Okay, so we'll get j as 0. Now is 0, j is 0, is 0 less than or equal to 1? Yes, 0 is less than or equal to 1. Therefore we get output as 0. Now what is output? J is 0. Therefore we get color of 0, that is blue. Okay, that is a new line. Okay, blue. Now again this is over. Now it will go here. J will be incremented, it will become 1. Okay, now j is 1. Now is 1 less than or equal to 1? Yes, 1 is equal to 1. Therefore this will be executed. Therefore we get color of 1. Okay, what is color of 1? Color of 0 is this, color of 1 is this. So we light 1 here, light pink here. Okay, now this is executed. Okay, it will go. Now j will become 2. Now is 2 less than or equal to 1? No, no, no. Therefore this will not execute. We'll go here, ENDL. So we'll get a new line here. Okay, now this is over. This is over. We'll go for another loop here. Now we have I as, now I will be get incremented. I'll become 2 here. Okay, so now is 2 less than or equal to 2? Yes, 2 is equal to 2. So we'll go inside here. Now here for I, j is equal to 0. Now j will become 0 here. Now is there j less than or equal to 2? Yes, 0 is less than or equal to 2. Therefore we go inside here. Now this will be output as color of 0 because j is 0. So we'll get output as, yes, blue. Then again we'll get j as, j will become 1 because of incrementation. Therefore is 1 less than or equal to 2? Yes. Therefore we get color of j, that is 1. Therefore it will become color of 1, that is color of 1 is pink. We'll get pink here. Now again j will become, it will get incremented, it will become 2 because this is here. Then we'll go here. Is 2 less than or equal to 2? Yes. Okay, this will go here. So is color of, what is color of 2? 0, 1 and 2. It is green. So we get output as green. Okay, now last again j will become 3. Now is 3 less than or equal to 2? No, no, no. 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, this is not execute. We'll get this thing here because this is after the for loop. This is after a for loop. Therefore, this is not going to execute, and therefore we'll go here. There is new line. Okay. Now we'll go here, and now our I will become 3. Okay. So now here we have I as 3. Is 3 less than or equal to 2? Because bigger is 2. So is 3 less than or equal to? No, no, no. Therefore this will not execute, and we'll go to the end of this loop. Now here we get output as this. Now is this present? Okay, this is present here. Therefore we get output as fourth one. So our answer is fourth one. But we can get multiple outputs in this question. Okay, so we'll also go for the next round. That is, we'll get, so what suppose we get random as 2 here. This is the last value. Okay, now suppose we get a random as 2. Then what will happen? Picker will become 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, now I'll remove this thing. Okay, so just know that this is our answer, one of our answer. Now picker is 3. Now same thing will happen, same thing will get output, and I know the output is, I think you might also be knowing the output will become this, because these 3 are going to come in any of the way. This is, sorry, this the row and 3, and this will be coming because the fourth one is red. But still we will try this. Okay, now this is, we get picker as 3, then we get this thing. Okay, now for I will become 0. In the same way j will become 0. Okay, now I is 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 3? Yes, j is less than or equal to 3. If we get inside this, now j is 0. Okay, j is 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 0? Because I is 0. Yes, so we'll get output as j, color of 0, that is blue. So we'll get output as blue. Now okay, here. Okay, now j will become 1 because of this. And now is 1 less than or equal to 0? No. So we'll just leave this. We'll go after this loop, we'll get cout as e and l. So we'll go for the new line here. Okay, now we'll go here because this is over. Now I will become plus plus, that is I will become 1. Now is 1 less than or equal to 3? Yes. So we'll go inside this. Now j will become 0. Okay, now is 0 less than or equal to 1? Yes. So we'll go inside here. Color of 0. Now what is 0 here? That is blue. Okay, now again it will go here. J will become 1. Now is 1 less than or equal to 1? Yes. So we'll get output as color of 1. But what is color of 1? That is pink. Okay, this is color of 1. Okay, now again we'll get J as 2. Now is 2. This is 2. This is 1. 2 less than 1? No, this is wrong. So this is not execute. So we'll go here. Therefore we get new line here. So after this we'll go for the new line. Okay, now it will go here for this loop. Now I will get incremented. So we get I as 2. Okay, so now is 2 less than or equal to 3? Yes. Okay, 2 is less than or equal to 3. Therefore we'll go inside this. Now j will become 0 again because this is a new initialization. So they will become 0. Now we have j as 0 and I as 2. So is 0 less than or equal to 2? Yes. Therefore we'll go here. So color of 0. Same thing will happen. We'll get blue here. In okay. Now j will become 1. Okay. Same thing, is 1 less than or equal to 2? Yes. So we'll get output as pink. In the same way we'll get output as green, because now j will become 2. And is 2 less than or equal to 2? Yes. So we'll get color of 2, that is 0 1 2, that is green. Now j will become 3. Okay, and now we'll go here. Now is 3 less than or equal to I is 2? No, 3 is greater than, so this will not execute. We'll go for the new line here. Okay, so we'll go for new line. Okay, now it will go here, and now or I will become I plus plus, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so I is 3. We'll go inside here. Now is 3 less than or equal to 3? Yes. Therefore we go inside here. Now for int j will become 0 here again, that is new initialization. Now is 0 less than or equal to 3? Yes. Therefore, we get color of 0, that is blue. Now again j will become 1. Now is 1 less than or equal to 3? Yes, we'll get output as color of 1, that is pink. Same way, again this thing happen, j will become 2. We'll get output as is 2 less than equal to 3? Yes, we'll get output as green. Then j will become 3 because of this. And then is 3 less than or equal to 3? Yes. Color of 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, we'll get output as red. Okay, now again j will become 4. Now is 4 less than or equal to 3? No. Okay, this is 4, this is 3. No, therefore this will not execute. We'll go here, it is ENTL. We'll get new line here, and after this is over. Our I will become 4. Okay, now this is 4, this is 3. Is 4 less than equal to 3? No, this will not execute. Therefore this all is over, and therefore we'll go at the end, and that is it. We'll get output as this. This is present here. So we have output as this also, and this, sorry, the second one and the fourth one. So our answer is second and fourth. Okay, that's it. Sorry the video is so long, but sorry, I hope it is clear to you. And that's it. If you have any queries, you can comment below.